We took over an existing center that had 82 70s. We have a lot of bowling going on. Pin spotters were just getting worn out, just spending money on parts, putting Band-Aids on things. Never had an opportunity to do any preventive maintenance at all. We were spending, I'm embarrassed to say that we were spending probably close to $60,000 a year in parts. And then I also had to factor in how much time I was lost because of lanes being down on weekends, which is high revenue time. The money that we were actually losing that, so I'm putting that into the equation. And not to mention, you really can't count this, but peace of mind. We bought the XLi EDGEs in the summer of 2013. It's been a godsend. Our whole back-end strategy of how we're going to conduct the mechanical end is now spent on preventive maintenance as opposed to fixing, putting Band-Aids on things. It's so much better, the machines run so much smoother. It's just, for peace of mind being an owner, it's so much easier walking into the center now and not have to be bombarded by people telling me how bad their experience was. Now I walk in and I'm a hero. Also too, the amount of money that we spend right now on parts is just a small amount compared to what we were spending annually every year. Since we put in XLi EDGEs, our revenue was up 20% over the last 3 years. Definitely well worth it. It was a great investment we made and we're glad we made it.